What's going on YouTube? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. We got some headphones sponsored by a company called Mpow. We got some Mpow right here. So we got two. They sent out two headphones here. One is going to be a gaming headphone, which is this one right here. You can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll have the links in the description below. I haven't really tested it out yet. It's going to be a little unboxing. And then if you guys are interested in a review on it, or at least my thoughts on it, then just drop a comment and I'll come back. I'll follow back with another video. So this one is the EG3 by Mpow. You can see the Mpow right there at the top. Let's go ahead and check out the box. It says enjoy your game. So this is a gaming headset. So it has 3D audio sound. It has a 50mm driver, PC game, soft and comfortable. So it got some cushions that are nice and soft, comfortable, and it has LED light. And it has an EQ, so we'll have to check that out. So driver, like I said, sensitivity is 105 decibels or something like that, and the frequency range and maximum output, they do come with a built-in microphone. Obviously they're gaming headphones. And let me show you real quick on the website. You can see here on Amazon, let me see if I can show you. You can see on Amazon they are $19.99. For those, for this particular color that I have. Then they have another color, which is, I'm guessing it's all black. These are like the gray metal finish to them. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick and see what we get in the box. There's their website right there if you guys want to check them out. They also have a support link. So it is www.mpow.com. Pretty nice looking gaming headphones here. Let's go ahead and take these out. Let's see. Go ahead and open this up. It just comes in a bag, and there should be nothing else in the box. So that is it for what's in the box. We'll move the box out the way, and here we have a user manual guide. And let's check out the headphones real quick. First, they are USB headphones. When you plug them in, they should work on Mac. I'd have to test them out. Like I said, if you guys are interested in a review of these, I just got these just to show them. But if you guys are interested in a review, just drop a comment and I'll come back with a review. But they do have, here's the build quality on them. The cushions, they're pretty big. There's some big cans, I'll be honest. Big cans on both sides. We do have a left, and then we have a right on this side. We got the little M for Mpow branding. We do have a microphone, which is pretty nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and try these on real quick. They look like they're gonna be very, very comfortable. Let me go ahead and try these on. And I got my T-Mobile hat, by the way. Shout out to T-Mobile. I picked that up yesterday. So yes, definitely I got them on, and they're pretty comfortable. They're actually real light. So they're actually real light. They feel pretty comfortable. The padding feels soft from the few seconds that I had them on. Like I said, interested in a review. Let's go ahead and see how long this cable is. This cable should be quite long. Go ahead and take this out. So it's a nice braided cable. I would say that the cable is about at least 5 feet. At least 5 feet. The cable is pretty long. So it's a nice long cable. You can definitely put your gaming console on a stand or something and still have plenty of cable, enough for your headphones. So yeah, these are going to be the Mpow. Let me see what they're called. They're called the EG3 gaming headset. They do have 7.1 surround sound, although I didn't see any of that on the box, unless I missed it. It doesn't say anything about surround sound. Let's go ahead and check out the right here, this manual, see what we get in here. See if it says anything. So it has user manual, and let me see if I get it out. See, we got some, okay, here it is. So it does have a analog 7.1 channel driver installation. So you do have to download something for your computer. So this is for the computer. Not sure if it works on Mac, which is what I own, but if you do have a Windows computer, you should be able to install the analog, the 7.1 channel analog. So unfortunately, I won't be able to test that out unless I have a Windows computer, and I do not. And then we have the gaming headset, which just tells you a little bit of information on the microphones and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and move along. Like I said, I'll have to test this out. I'll come back on a later video, but right now it's just an unboxing. We're going to go ahead and switch over to the other headphones that we have right here. And these are the H5 headphones. These are the ones that I'm really interested in. And I hear pretty good things about them. So let me go ahead and open this up. Let's check out the box real quick first of all. H5. Let me show you the pricing on this one. So this one, we do have a $39.99 price on this one. So it does have up to 33 feet range, up to 30 hours of music, up to 30 hours of talk, about 2 to 3 hours charge time. So on the back we do have same information, operating range 10 meters, Mpow technology. We do have some website there, www.mpow.com. So let's go ahead and check these out. On this side it says active noise canceling. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get these. Active noise canceling, foldable design, and the hi-fi audio, soft comfort. So let's jump in. Here's the QR code if you guys are interested in. I mean, not the QR code, the barcode, if you guys are interested in it. Open this up, see what we got in here. Man, I got a lot of stuff I gotta clear out here. So here, these also come in a bag, and these, wow, they feel real good. I like the feel on them. Kind of like a matte finish to them. I'm not a fan of the little glossy cups there, but I am a fan of the matte finish around this right here and around the top. And Mpow, these feel real good. We got some buttons there, mic. We also have a 3.5 audio input, jack right there. Microphone looks like right there. And on this side we have some more. We have a micro USB charging, and then we have some controllers, on and off switch, I'm guessing, volume up and down, and also skip. And we also have another little microphone here. So foldable, so they fold up real nice, pretty small. They come with a little pouch. So here we have the charging cable that we have there. We have the headphone cables here. The male ends, 3.5. They look like 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. Then we have the important reminder. Headphones only can be charged with 5-volt adapters. This is very good that they include this. Then we have this carrying pouch, which feels like a velvet feeling type of pouch. There's no branding on it or anything, so we'll throw this over to the side. And this one here, like I said, it's going to be quick unboxing, guys. I'm not going to test these out yet unless you guys actually want me to, but Mpow, I've had their headphones before in the past, and I've had some earbuds actually, and they lasted me for very long. I mean, I gave those away to a friend at work, and he's still using those, and they're at least, I would say at least 2 or 3 years old, and they still hold a charge, and he still uses them and charges them every day. So these, let me try these on real quick. Once again, T-Mobile hat on deck. Now let me try these on. Let me see, we do have on the inside of the cup right there, we got an R for right and an L for left. Put these on. These have a nicer seal than these, and you can actually, it actually blocks out the sound a lot, like a lot. You put these on, you can, it just gets real quiet. So yeah, and they have a real nice seal around your ears. And as far as the audio quality, we're gonna have to check back with some more videos on that. But yeah, there you guys have it. Quick unboxing of the EG from Mpow. This is an Mpow EG. You can see there, these are the gaming headphones, and these over here are going to be some Bluetooth wireless headphones. These are the H5s from Mpow. Shout out to Mpow for sending these to me out for review. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. If you guys are interested in how they sound and you guys want me to do a review on that personally, drop a comment. And I'll do that. Catch you guys on another one. I'm out.